If you wish to add additional text to your newsletter sign-up form, you can do so quickly and easily from inside the builder. So perhaps we want to add a text block just above our field asking for the email address. This could provide a little more information and a bit of an incentive to join your newsletter sign-up form. So to do that, we just click on Content, and we can see here all our available content blocks are displayed. The first one is called Text. Let's click it and drag, and we just need to drop it on our desired location. Okay, our new text block's been added, and we can see it's got the default content text. We just need to click on the Edit button here, and we can customize the content text. So we can delete what's in there at the moment. You can write your own, or if you've already written something, you can simply paste it in. If we hop over to the Style tab, we can customize how this looks. We can change the font face, color, size, alignment, and quite a few other options down here. So perhaps this text will look a bit better center aligned. Let's click on Center. And now click on Save and Close. Okay, that looks perfect.